everyone, my name is Neha Danulai from Grissom Training Institute, and I'm going to share this technical video on the cardiovascular system. Out of 12 systems, the cardiovascular system plays an important role to transport the essential nutrients to the body organs. In this cardiovascular system, mainly consists of heart, which plays an vital role, and blood vessels and blood components. Its primary function is to transport the nutrients, hormones, oxygen rich blood, and waste product to the parts of the body, and also carries the deoxygenated blood back to the lungs for uh, oxygenated to make oxygenated blood. Then the cardiovascular system mainly responsible for delivering the blood to the different parts of body, and it consists of organs. The first organ is the heart. It is a vital muscular organ which pumps the blood throughout the body, and the oxygen carried by blood gives to the cells. Then blood vessels, which consist of arteries and veins. Arteries are the vessel that carries the blood away from the heart, and veins which brings back the to the heart. And there are some capillaries, which is a tiny vessels which is present at arteries end to deliver the blood to the body's tissue. Then there are two circulatory system present in our body. The first one is the systemic circulatory system, in which the main function is to uh, transport the blood to the different organs, tissues, and cells in our body. So it helps our tissue in ATP generation. Then the second is to pulmonary circulation system, in which the deoxygenated blood carries, which transport to the or moves to the lungs, in which the exchange of gases takes place, and then again come back to the heart with the help of pulmonary vein. Then it is consist of the heart is consist of four chamber, two upper chambers which is called as atria, and two lower chambers we call as a ventricles. And there is a walls which separates the atria and ventricle we call as a septum. The walls are controlled. There are also walls SA and A valves, which tricuspid valves and bicuspid, which controls the backflow of the blood to the ventricles or the arteries, respective organ. And there is a superior and inferior vena cava, which carries the blood from the body organs for the to the heart. Then blood flows through the tricuspid valve and enter the right ventricle. Then the right ventricle pumps the blood through the pulmonary wall, and out to the heart via through a pulmonary artery. Then the blood flows through the left and right pulmonary left to the pulmonary artery into the lungs. Then the process of breathing, in which the oxygen is entered into blood and removes the carbon dioxide. As a result, blood is in rich in oxygen source. Then the blood returns to the heart, and then flows into the left atrium. Then then blood flows through the mitral valve and enters to the left ventricle. Then the left ventricle pumps the blood throughout the body with the help of aorta. Uh, with the help of aorta. Then this artery delivers the blood to the rest of the body. And the cardiac cycle mainly consists of two phases, in which the two phases, first one is the diastole and second is systole, in which first phase first phase diastole, in which the ventricles is filled with blood, and second phase of systole, the ventricles contract and eject the blood to the organs. The cardiovascular system, there are some defects related to cardiovascular system, which is related to the flow of blood. First one is the heart failure. Second one is stroke. Then angina pectoris and arrhythmia are leads to the some cardiovascular diseases. That's all. Thank you.